Now, at the first video, we learned how to get in our code space. Now, I will show you how to start coding and get a website. The first thing that we will need to do is to enter the code space that we entered the last time. So in HTML, because we are using a new technology, it is HTML5. So the first thing that we will use is doctype HTML. That means the fifth generation of HTML. Then we will use the HTML command to start the HTML page and what it will be on it. Then press next. Then we will go to head. The head is what it's being here and what you can see here. Okay, so we will press enter. Then title. The title will show this index.html /0/01 code space. So here we will write first. So here we will write our website.com. Okay, now this only have to get in here on the beginning. Then we will go with the second thing is the body. Okay, the body that contain everything that you see from here, this from this here to here. That's everything that will show pop up in your screen. So there is a different type of writing. The first one is H1, which is it's the title of the page that when you open an document and you select the title that show up here, that's and the sizes. So go when you are going down, the size of the writing go down. So I'm gonna with P for print, then I will close it. So to know that there is the start, the end, I have to put everything on it. So the first thing will be the hello world, like this. So now we see that we created 9 lines of code. Now we need to know what is this 5 lines show us. So if we get here on extensions, we can go to live, just search live, and here you see a live server. Press install and wait. After waiting, you will see here at the side, you will see here go live. So now you will go to your index here at the menu, then press go live. You will wait to open up. Wait, see here the website.com, it's here, and then you have the hello world, it's here. So that's how to make an extension website. So if now I get out from the code space, this page will close. Now we have to set up GitHub pages. So you have first to save the changes. You have to just write message that you know what are you what did you the changes you did. So then write commit, always sync changes. uh, Wait seconds, get log. I will fix this problem and come back to you. Now you will go here to the beginning screen where is your everything in here. You will go to actions to install the web browser, then go here to state HTML, press configure. Now wait, now commit changes here. You will see and commit changes. Now wait. Okay, after waiting for a little bit, you will go to actions. Now here your pages is loaded and ready to go, but first you have to go to code space. You will close that code space, you have it. You will go do delete. Now press OK. Now wait. Okay, press again code space. Now create a code space on main. Now wait for a little bit. Press X. Wait for the page to reload. Just waiting. Now if you see here, go GitHub, you will see that in here we will not touch it. Just come to here and settings, turn on sync, turn on GitHub Enterprise, and VS Code is enabled. You can now close this window. So you're gonna close it and wait so your code space restarts. Okay, and for showing the here queued, you just wait so this finish. I will return when it's finished. Now you will see that the create static YML is failed and the fix also failed. So the problem is here that you are not enabling that can create a web page from your root, where it's the code, the root, it's everything in here. So now you will go to settings, pages, and I have to upgrade it to public. So this repository, this can everybody can see it, and also it can make it can to reload the pages. Wait, I will change it to public and I will return. Now after changing it to public, now I will go to pages. Now here deploy from bench, I will change it, and GitHub actions. Now go to action. Now you will see again it failed. Go to the code space that you are trying to get from it. Try to make any changes that you can. Delete or add this if you didn't add it, or delete it. And now just here, just try to make fix and commit changes. Now go to action, just wait for a little bit, wait to reload. It will take a few seconds to load. Just wait. Now you will see that it's give you the green. So you will go to fix. Just get it from here. Just get touch fix, and here is your codes. The page that everyone can use it and enter it. So this how to create the first few codes from the code space. If you want to see more, I will upload it later and change later. So thanks for watching. See you next time.